Hey guys, exciting news from Shopify. They've just introduced some handy new keyboard shortcuts to make your life easier while using the theme editor. Here's how to check them out. Head over to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the online store section. From the theme section, find the theme you want to work on and hit the customize button to open the theme editor. Now for the fun part, Shopify has added some cool shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Now to see the full list, hold down Ctrl and press the / key for PC users, or hold down Command and press the / key for Mac users. Once you've pulled up the list, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the shortcuts available. They'll help you navigate the left sidebar, toggle tools like the Preview Inspector, and adjust the preview window width, all with just a few keystrokes. That's it! With these new shortcuts, you'll be zipping through the theme edits in no time.